Well, hello and welcome to your directed study in social and behavioral sciences. This is your fearless leader, Professor Jefferson Williams, and I want to welcome you to week one. And I want to apologize for not having the video up. I am recovering from the flu, and I am hopefully almost better. So, Mary, we've had a class before, so I don't really need to go over my expectations with you, but I just wanted to kind of tell you there'll be two assignments for you to do. And I just really, it'd be good if you could do one at the beginning of class, one at the end of class. I'm not going to give you a date of when you need to have those done. You just need to have them done by the end of the class. So the first one is, I'm going to make sure that I do these right. First one is a biblical foundation for sociology and relationships paper. And it says in 5 to 6 pages, consult the preface, introduction in chapters 1 through 4 and 7 in Paletris, and respond to the following questions. So what I want to see answered is, why should the church consider the importance of relationships? How does the Bible inform our understanding of human relationships? What does the Bible say about God's view of human relationships? What does the Imago Dei, image of God, inform our relationships? How does it inform? What is a covenant? Explain covenant work, how a covenant works. How should human relationships with God be formed? How should they look? How is God informed in human relationships, evolved in human relationships according to Scripture? And explain and describe the three perspectives on human interactions, relationships. What are their core components? How are they unique? And how will they work together? In order to address each question, you will need to write clearly and precisely to keep the paper within the required length. I am going to ask that you keep it the required length, which is 5 to 6 pages. I'd like that to be double spaced, please. Use MLA formatting, and be sure to include a works cited page. I also want to remind you that every professor has a pet peeve, and mine is grammar and spelling and punctuation. So make sure that you proofread well. And if you need to put it through Grammarly, that will help you as well. Okay, so that's your first one. And then the second one is a missional foundations for sociology paper. And in 5 to 6 page paper, you'll need to read chapters 1 through 2 and 8 and 9 in Hiebert and respond to the following questions. List and describe the various views of contextualization. What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? Which one would you describe the most? What do you have concerns about? Explain and discuss the principles Hiebert lists in Chapter 1 concerning the gospel and its relationship to and with human context. Describe the development of the relationship and connection between missiology and the human sciences. That's Chapter 2. Explain the 3 different types of theology. What are the differences, similarities? What are the 3 steps of missional methodology? Explain the differences between modern mission paradigm and Hiebert's proposal. Describe and define the ministry of mediation as outlined by Hiebert. Explain Hiebert's prescribed view of others. What case is he making? Do you agree, disagree? Why or why not? What 3 dimensions are included in Chapter 9? How is each one a barrier to missions? Overall, how can sociology be used for missions, and how can sociology be used in the church? So remember, again, MLA formatting, works cited page, and proofread. Basically, it's 2 papers, 50% each. That'll add up to 100, and that'll be your grade. So if you need me, you can always call, text, email, or carrier pigeon. I'm around. If you need anything, let me know. All right, let's do this. Onward and upwards.